ተማዩብትዩ
subscribe
then hi everyone, I would like to say welcome to this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is Tamautube. Tamautube is a YouTube channel which is interested to develop an educational video for the audience who would have different interests. Then the main concern of Tamautube is, the first main concern of Tamautube is real estate. Then I know everybody can understand buying a house is not a linear activity, rather it is an important basic activity of everyone. So while you are interested on buying a house or an apartment, then you should have a sufficient information, and as well as you should have the basic skill to make the decision, then so that you will make an appropriate decision. So Tamam is interested to support you to provide the detailed information which is needed for deciding on buying or renting of an apartment. So Tamam is happy to serve you. Then this is the first English video which is created to say thank you for the subscribers who couldn't understand Amharic. Then after this I will try to add some different concerns of the Tamautube. So the second main concern of Tamautube is basically, then Tamautube, since the owner of the channel would have the advanced educational background in business management, then he is interested to serve or to support the peoples who are fostering or who are enhancing their education in higher education as a master's or PhD level. Then while you are being a part of the PhD or master education, the most important thing in PhD or master education would be developing or compiling the thesis or dissertation would be the main thing or the main difficulties that you will face. Then as a person who would have better educational background and as a person who has passed through that difficulties, then Tamam is interested to help them to do a better job or to do a better quality of dissertation or thesis. Then this is the second main concern. Then the third main concern of Tamam is interested to help the people or to help the audience of the Tamam to create the network. Then I know everybody who would have a better understanding in business could understand business is all about creating, using and optimizing the network. Then the subscribers of Tamam is not only subscribers. Tamam, then they are the families of Tamam. Then immediately after you have subscribed my channel, then you would have a better chance to join a Telegram group which is created intentionally for the sake of making discussion. In every corner of your interest. So then I will pin the Telegram group below this video. So after you have subscribed it, then you would have a better chance to join it. Then after you have joined it, then you would have a better way or option or opportunity to ask any type of question from the members of the Tamam. Then including the owner and as well as the different subscriber who would have a better experience in the area or in the concerned area will give you sufficient information regarding about your intention. So we will make a better way to have a better network. So these are the main concerns of tomorrow. Then thank you for joining me, thank you for subscribing me. Then I would like to remind you, the YouTube algorithm will work on the amount of like, comment and share. Then if you make like and comment and share, then the YouTube will invite more audience to watch my video. So I'm happy to see you here in my channel. Then I'm very much delighted for being hosted by you. Then I would like to say thank you, and please like, comment and share then as much as you can. Then I appreciate also if you invite your friends, families, or any other persons who would have a concern in YouTube. So thank you, see you next time.